Hey guys, today I want to talk about how do you sell a home that still needs work. The selling process is already difficult enough, but when you add those noticeable problems with the property into the equation, it can make the home sale even more complicated. Inventory is now increasing and buyers have more options to choose from. Your home, which needs repairs, won't likely be first on their list, and those who are interested in purchasing may make an offer that's less than what you wanted to sell it for. To sell a fixer-upper, here are 3 things you should do. Number 1, get a home inspection. You know the property is in bad shape, but you're not exactly sure to what extent. This is where a professional can help. A home inspector will locate the problems and give you a complete rundown of them. Once you've identified what has to be fixed, you can evaluate if you can afford to make those repairs or replacements, or if you'll just sell the home as is. Also, remember that disclosing the issues of your home would be required by law. You want to be as transparent as possible to avoid any legal repercussions later. Number 2, consider selling to an investor or a bargain hunter. The worse the home's condition is, the bigger the pool of investment buyers will be. Real estate investors don't really want to live in the house. They want to repair it and upgrade it so that they can earn a profit. Typically, they'll pay you cash and they'll buy the home as is. On the other hand, bargain hunters are in search of their dream home and are willing to put a little bit of the elbow grease in to make the property livable, and they'll overlook a few flaws as long as they love the location. Number 3, be realistic with your price. Whatever market we are in, pricing your home correctly will always be critical. This is especially true for homes that are not in the best condition. You have to set a reasonable price, one that is based on research and makes sense for the market. The best way to do this is by working with a real estate professional. An experienced agent can use their resources and connections to ensure that you get the best possible deal for your home.